Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been missing for the last few weeks. It's been super crazy, you guys. My phone broke 3 separate times and we had to keep driving to Kingston to fix it. I've gotten 2 brand new phone screens like just because of that, and something else happened to my phone the time before that, so I couldn't post videos. But hopefully you guys are excited to watch this cooking video. The food turned out amazing and we actually cooked it outside because the gas canister ran out. So yeah, we cooked it on the coal stove. The food turned out perfect. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and I really appreciate everything. All right, let's start the cooking.
A piece of scallion. Take a piece of thyme. Some garlic. Boy. So we gotta use some pumpkin rice, brown soup chicken. Just make that go and boil, you know? Water is too much, so I'm gonna take out some. You have to make sure, say, you have the right amount of water in the people, because you don't want the rice too soft, you know? So you have to make sure, say, you have the right amount of water. Still can take out a little more out of it, you know?
So you can see how specific this is, you guys. I'm just using the little spoon to take out the water and get it to the perfect amount.
That right now, my peeps. The pumpkin them pretty. So I let some of them mash out, you know. The rice are pretty yellow color there when it boil up with it. That's people. Chicken season peeps, me put look all purpose now. Spicy darling. Put look more all purpose for people. Take a little pinch of salt. Pinch of browning. Sorry mo pa now. Peeps, look there. Little pinch of butter and I eat. Still we're not using oil and brown stew chicken. We have a piece of butter. So we melt it.
So we're back inside now to share out the food, and you guys will see that we have a friend here tonight also, so he's gonna eat some of the food too, so you'll see that in a bit.
there, but still can give some people some more time. See it? Anybody want food, link up. Nice and easy. Look at that, the people. Can you imagine?
Have an amazing day, you guys, and thanks so much for watching.